In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Cloud Sync errors in just 5 minutes. If you've ever encountered one of these errors while trying to sync your games on Steam, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, because we're about to go through a step-by-step process to resolve this issue effectively. First, let's start by opening your Steam application. Make sure you have it installed on your system and double-click on the Steam icon to fire it up. Once the application is opened, head over to the top right corner and click on Login. If you're already logged in, feel free to skip this part, but otherwise enter your account name and password to access your library and settings. After logging in successfully, head over to the Steam menu, which you can find on the top left corner. Click there and from the drop-down list, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Cloud tab. It's crucial to ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization option is checked. This feature allows your saved games to be stored on Steam servers, making them accessible from any device you log in from. If enabling Steam Cloud didn't resolve the error, or if it was already enabled, the next step is to navigate to your library. Once you're in the library, identify the game experiencing the sync error. Right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, go to the Installed Files tab, and here you will find the option to verify integrity of game files. Clicking this will prompt Steam to check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them as necessary. This step often resolves issues related to sync errors, as the problem could stem from corrupted game data. However, if you still encounter issues, there are alternative methods you may try. Go back to the Steam menu and click on Settings once again, but this time navigate to the Downloads section. Here, find and click on the Clear Download Cache option. Clearing the cache can resolve a myriad of issues by removing outdated or corrupted data that might be causing the sync error. Additionally, you can also try another approach by going to the Storage section within the settings. Here you will see a list of your storage options where Steam games are stored. Click on the three-dot menu next to your chosen storage and select Repair Library from the available options. Repairing the library can fix discrepancies and optimize the way data is stored, potentially correcting the syncing problem you have been experiencing. With these simple steps, you should be able to address and fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but having the know-how to tackle these common problems empowers you to get back to gaming without interruptions. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.